Alright, just so happened to be just sitting around. I noticed that Cole Bennett dropped a new music video with Lil Yachty. Yay Energy. I'm not sure if this is about Kanye, but speaking of Kanye, that song Okay Okay, Lil Yachty, who said I did what did they do? That shit was fucking, that shit was good. That shit was good. Fucking Yachty had a hit on there. So if it's anything like what he did on Okay Okay, this shit's gonna be a banger. Classic. So let's see. I'm hoping it's good. It's sponsored by Apple because it was shot on iPhone, unless Cole Bennett was trying to make a special music video with this one. This shit's sponsored by Apple. And the fact that Lyrical Lemonade's at 18.7 million subscribers now, holy fuck. Yeah, no, that's dope. That's dope. So let's get into this. And before we get in the video, like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. I'm on my way 2,000 subscribers. Any little bit helps, and I appreciate it. Let's go. It was a short Yachty song. I thought that was NBA Youngboy for a second. I was like, what the fuck? No, it's not. The ratio 10 to 1, okay. You did a lot with the fucking iPhone. This man's playing baseball with himself. Oh. He not tough, he told. 150 my shows. Pull up with 3 model bitches, Coca-Cola nose. Kamikaze, middle of the party, my nose from extra snotty. My deposit, Mona Lisa profit, can't fit in no one's wallet. Spam bars right now. Okay. That's a short song. But sweet and to the point, that's what we need sometimes. Directed and edited by Coco, shot entirely on iPhone. You used to. Oh! It wasn't a sponsor. He was just like, fuck it. Apple, pay me, please. I wanted to test myself. That's funny. Apple, pay me. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. I was it's an alright. It's an alright. I'm gonna listen to what Yachty's next project is, because this was better than Teenage Emotions. I think that was the name of the tape that kind of just sucked ass. This shit was solid. What was the next one? Shit, man. Yachty's best song is Mason 97. Do what you ain't want a bitch, think that we need you, bitch. Hop on your knees, all this dick, I'm gonna feed you, bitch. Oh, that shit is fucking heat. And this shit kind of reminded me of that. Low-key did not fuck with the beat, though. Buddha bless this beat. He's had some fire in the past. This one just wasn't it. But I did think Yachty on the faster paced beat kind of ran that shit. But yeah, that was a quick little reaction because it's a quick little song. Let me know what you thought about the song. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And with that, I'm out. Peace.